Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can forget Wi-Fi password on tab. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, first of all, here you can see the setting option. So just tap on setting. When you move on setting, the first option is Wi-Fi. So click on Wi-Fi. When you click on Wi-Fi, here on this option on the right side, you can see this Wi-Fi is connected. Okay. So if you want to disconnect or remove your Wi-Fi password, just click on that connected option Wi-Fi. After you click on it, here you can see this remove this network option. Okay. So click on this remove this network. After that it says remove this Wi-Fi network. Your device will no longer connect to Airtel Mukesh automatically. To connect to it again, you need to enter the password. You can enter through password or scanning QR code also if you want to connect. If you don't know how to connect, then you can check videos how to connect through scan QR code or how to connect Wi-Fi QR code. Okay, click this remove option, then here your Wi-Fi connected will be removed. Okay, it will be in the outside, so you can remove easily like this or you can disconnect easily like this. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.